All right, let's do this next question. Rainbow Dash gave 7 cupcakes each to her 3 friends, Twilight Sparkle, Pinkie Pie, and Applejack. How many total cupcakes did she bake? Okay, well, what's important from this problem? What do we need to know? She gave 7 cupcakes each to her 3 friends. What else do I need to know? The question, how many total cupcakes did she bake? How many total cupcakes? Okay, that's important. So let's start plugging in these numbers into our get chart. All right. She gave 7 cupcakes each. 7 cupcakes each. Is that going to be my groups, the equal number in each group, or my total? Seven cupcakes each is going to be my equal number in each group. So if that's what you said, awesome job. Okay, to her 3 friends. Is 3 friends going to be my groups or my total? If you said groups, you got it correct. Your 3 friends are going to be your groups. And then how many total cupcakes did she bake? I'm looking for the total number of cupcakes. So when we're looking for the total number of cupcakes, remember we're going to be multiplying. So I'm going to move this over to multiplication. And then I'm going to use my little red dots to help me solve this problem, okay? So my 3 friends, and I'm going to create an array here. My 3 friends, and each friend got 7 cupcakes. So they already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then I'm just going to fill this in. Every friend is going to get 7 cupcakes. And remember, you want to try to line it up as best as you can. I know it can be kind of tricky to get it lined up perfectly, and that's okay, but I want it to just be as lined up as possible. All right, every single friend has 7 cupcakes, okay? So now I want to figure out the total number of cupcakes that she baked. So I need to count all of these little red dots, these pieces. They represent a cupcake, so I need to count them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So the total number of cupcakes that she baked is 21. Your answer would be 21. And you may have also known that because you know that 3 times 7 or 7 times 3 equals 21. And that is perfectly acceptable, but I still want to see you using your manipulatives and demonstrating this problem. Okay. So you guys are going to work on the next 2 problems by yourself. Send me a message or an email if you have any questions or have any concerns.